Hello everyone, this is Karankumar Nevage and you are watching Ray Electronics. In today's video, we are designing CMOS inverter using Microwind software. So let's get started. First, we open our palette. By using MOS generator, we generate our PMOS and NMOS. So I generating PMOS, generate device. So I just placing PMOS. Let's adjust our canvas to fit in our window. Let's generate NMOS by clicking here and generate device. This is our NMOS. Let's adjust our NMOS by using move button. So both our gate is in same line. That's it. Like this is right now. Our both gate are in same line. I'm using polysilicon to connect both gate. So the same input can use to control both gate. Connecting both source. Okay, so let's simulate it. As we know that N will require VDD supply. So I'm providing VDD to gate. For input, I'm using clock, so it can switch both on and off conditions simultaneously. I'm renaming it as the in, assigning it, providing VDD to our PMOS, and providing VSS to our NMOS. Visible node is for using for output. I'm placing it as source terminal and renaming it as a P out and assigning it using run simulation and starting simulation. Okay. So when our input is low, we get output is high. When our input is high, we get output is low. That's how we satisfy the condition of CMOS inverter. For today's video, that's it. Let's meet in next video. Until that, keep learning. Make sure that you are subscribed and like our channel. Thank you.